In this video, I want to talk about if you can sell on Temu. Now the answer to this is yes, you can sell on Temu. And if you Google sell on Temu and you head over to their website, start selling with Temu, you can see in here that all you have to do is sign up. This will only take 1 minute. Complete your application and this will take about 10 minutes. And then within 24 hours, you will get your results if you're able to sell with them or not. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here that to become a Temu seller, you need to enter your business information, or if you're an individual seller, that's fine as well. Just provide your information, set up the store, and complete the verification. Now, these are the documents required. So for business, it's these. For individual, it's these. And then you will obviously need to provide proof. And once you've done this, if they accept you within 24 hours, then you're ready to start selling. So to answer the question, yes, you can sell on Temu. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.